Yeah, hey, what's up? It's John, and I just wanted to show you how you can be part of this LinkedIn content exchange. So all you have to do is you have to go to LinkedIn, go to your network right here, and then just go here where it says your connections, go to see all. So you're going to go to see all, and then you're going to come right over here where it says manage synced and imported contacts. You're just going to click on that. You're going to click this button that says export contacts. That's going to take you to this page. Now, if you see this, then don't worry about it. You're just going to hit request new archive, and then you're just going to come and pick and choose the data files you're most interested in, and you're just only going to get these connections right here. All right. That's all you need to get is these connections. You can get anything else if you want, but this is all that's really necessary to grab these connections, and just click this button. You're going to have to put in your password and then hit done. And then you just wait. This will take, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. All you have to do is come back here several times and refresh this page. Whenever it's done, you'll just have a button that will say download data. You can download your data, and essentially whenever you download your data, you're going to get a little file just like this right here, and you're just going to share that with whatever person that you want to exchange with. Like I wanted to exchange with Kim, so we just did an exchange where she sent her files, she sent her contacts, I sent my contacts. So that's how it works. It's really simple. That's all you have to do.